daily basis in the life. Panda, he don't know how to swim, so it's something creative, it's something imaginative. So we'll try to see if it will be prompted and bring your description to life. Please allow 15 to 10 seconds. Wow, that's something really amazing. Is not exactly what I have asked. Here they have making a moving photo, a picture, sorry, not photo. Here it's diving on some colors, but is not what exactly I have been asking. But it's a great tool. So we have discovered a new tool for generating and creating new art, new images. The world of imagination, it's going crazy these days with this IE, the tool that can make. Okay, let's try something else. I'm trying to figure out some ideas, what to do from my environment. Okay, LeBron James playing, not football, tennis, because he been playing football with Paris Saint-Germain and also with. I hope it's not a pop-up message for paying. Huh, doesn't work. They cannot do it. Obviously, they cannot do it. Alright, they don't recognize the names. You have to sign up for account. Maybe I will do it later. I'm gonna see if there will be something good to do or not good to do. I'm gonna raise the volume a bit so you can hear me way better. Okay, um, what else we have here? Alright, we discovered this Shutterstock IE model for creating images and but to be honest, till this moment we are making this video, the IE tools cannot create like very realistic models of images because they are gathering information about people. When the IE will be developed much may what I'm sorry, much way bigger than now, things will be crazy. I believe so. Because now the engineers just trying to develop something that will lead more data to the IE to analyze, to figure out, to make, to destroy, to make together, some stuff like this. So it will make the IE tools much more way efficient. So here we have Canva, we have Shutterstock, Model IE, also here Model IE for creating. This website, I believe so, is very professional, but let's see, create YouTube cover maker, IE generator. No, I don't see pricing place. I don't know if this website is free. I'm gonna see here on the filter menu, you can see pricing. Pricing is always there. No, no way it will not be. Okay, okay, let's see. 12 premium plans. Accepter et continuer, s'il vous plaît. Ok, merci. Template and design. Here